What's up, guys? Eek with East Coast Ken, and I'm going to give you an update on Project Purple Miata. Alright guys, so as you can tell, we got the whole front of the car tore apart. The lights are coming off next, so there was some damage done up here, and it is damage to the frame. We're going to put that on the frame system, and we're going to try to straighten it out for the guy. But we've got a lot of body work done. I mean, there was a lot of rust and stuff like that in it. I got everything inside tore out. Sorry, I don't want you guys to see his name and paperwork and stuff that's on the dashboard. So the backside had some rust down there as well. You got the front and the back bumper, and then the trunk that I had to sand all the primer off from it because there was a whole bunch of scratches that showed through, and I thought when they were smooth to the touch and to where a razor blade and my fingernails didn't get through or caught in them, like those right there, you can see those are still some of the deep scratches. Like I said, to the touch, there was no gouge or anything like that. My fingernails didn't get caught in it, neither did a razor blade, so I shot it with the primer and it showed bad. So I had to sand it back down, and that's where we're at with Project Purple Miata, guys. And then that's a classmate's car, an old Cutlass that she's restoring. So let me turn this camera back around. All right, guys, sorry about the poor lighting. I am inside and the shop's closed up. Everybody's gone home for the day. So that's an update on Project Purple Miata. So I'll be posting some more pictures up on Instagram once I get back in the spray booth. Hopefully I can get some more video footage from that. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave me some leave me some suggestions, guys. I'm new to this. I'm very well open to suggestions, critiques, the whole 9 yards. I just ask you to be respectful about it. So thanks a lot. Like I said, like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all have a good day.